How to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. So Coinmarketcap is primarily a cryptocurrency information platform and that does not directly facilitate the withdrawal of funds. In order to withdraw money from cryptocurrencies, exchange or wallet, you'll need to use the services of an exchange where you have an account and funds. So in order to do that, what you'll have to do is, first of all, you'll have to log in into your exchange account. Then you need to look for the option that says withdraw or withdrawal section from the platform. After that, you'll have to choose a specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from the available options. Provide the withdrawal details, which typically include the withdrawal amount and the destination address. The destination address is the address of a wallet where you want to receive the funds. You need to double check all of the withdrawal details, especially the destination address, confirm the withdrawal. And many exchanges require additional authentication steps such as two-factor authentication to enhance security as well. And after confirming the withdrawal, wait for the transaction to be processed. Cryptocurrency transactions need to be confirmed on the blockchain as well. So then monitor the transaction status on the exchange platform. You'll receive email notifications or check the withdrawal history and all that. In that way, you can withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.